Good morning, friends. Myself, Prashant Patil. Today, we are going to see English Section 4, 4.1 History of Novel. History of Novel. 18th century has gifted English literature two entirely new forms. First, the periodical essay, and second, novel. 18th century was the age of intellectual, sentimental, and realistic plan. Novel becomes very popular right from 18th century, and today novel is recognized as the most dominant literary genre कादंबरी नाटक शैली या साहित्याबद्दल. Novella is an Italian word. The meaning of novella is new. Novella means novel. Novella is a type of prose fiction. And the meaning of prose fiction, lesson or story with imagination. Meaning of novella is new. Novel narrates a story. Novel embellish more details of time, place, nature, people, their minds, and their gestures and activities. Novel creates the picture of the society of that time. Novel makes life of that time more easier to understand than in drama and poetry. The novel as a literary genre has a history of about 2000 years. The world's first novel, that is Tale of Genji, and it was written in 10th century by Murasaki Shikibu. Then in 13th century, the Canterbury Tales. This novel was written by Geoffrey Chaucer, and Geoffrey Chaucer is also known as the father of English literature. Then in 16th century, The Pilgrim's Progress by John Bunyan. Then Moll Flanders written by Daniel Defoe. Then Gulliver's Travel written by Jonathan Swift. In 20th century also, famous novelists like E.M. Forster, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, Henry James, George Orwell, Graham Greene, D.H. Lawrence, and etc. Very famous novel, Pamela, written by Samuel Richardson. These are the very famous novelists in India. As per the main exam of Standard 12th is concerned, 2-mark short note can be asked. For example, novella. Novella means Laghu Kadambari. Novella is a type of prose fiction, and novella is an Italian word. The meaning of novella is new. Novella means novel. Prose fiction means lesson or story with imagination. Novella is shorter than a novel and larger than a short story. Novella is well structured short narrative. Its tone is satiric and realistic. Its focus is on one incident or one issue. There may be one or two main characters. Main character in the novel, main character means protagonist, and meaning of the protagonist is hero of that novel, central character of that novel. And antonym of the protagonist is antagonist. Antagonist means villain. Some of the famous novellas in English are: first, The Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad, The Turn of the Screw by Henry James, Billy Bird by Herman Melville, Death of Venice by Thomas Mann, Sage the Day by Saul Bellow, Pearl by John Steinbeck. These are the famous examples of novella in English literature. Very important topic, the elements of novel or novella. In English literature, there are 6 elements, that is essential elements of novel or novella. The first element, that is the theme. Theme is the central idea in the novel. Theme can be expressed in nutshell. Nutshell means in short. It is the series of events in the story. That's why theme is the main element of the novel. Then second element we can consider, that is the plot. Plot is the story or the course of events that makes up the theme. Plot may be simple or complex. Plot is created by conflict, either internal or external, in the mind of the characters. In this way, we have seen the main element, theme, plot, and now we are going to see the characters. We cannot imagine novel, serial, or movie without character. Character is very important element of the novel. Story takes place because of the behavior of the characters. Major and minor characters react with each other. Two opposite characters create struggle and suspense. Two main characters are there, protagonist, main character, and opposite force, that is antagonist, means villain, who do the bad work in the serial or movie or in the novel. There can be external and internal antagonist. Next, fourth element of the novel, that is setting. Setting is the background in which the story takes place. There are several aspects of the setting. It includes place, period, time, climate or weather, and lifestyle. That's why setting is the backbone we can consider of the novel. Several aspects which we have discussed just now, and important aspect, that is the climate or weather. Example of climate or weather in the novel may be rainy season or winter season. So that is what we can say, the setting. Fifth important element of the novel, that is conflict. The struggle between two opposite characters in the story is called conflict. Two opposite character means protagonist and antagonist, means hero and villain. Conflict provides interest and curiosity about the plot. Without conflict between the characters, readers will not get the interest in reading the novel. That's why conflict is essential element of the novel. And the last element of the novel, language and style. The language and the techniques used by the author makes narration effective is known as style. An author can use extensive vocabulary, beautiful words and high phrases. That is, makes decorative novel. The language must be beautiful. The readers must get the interest in reading that text. Now let's see the types of novel. There are few types of novels. For example, realistic novel, picaresque novel, historical novel, gothic novel, autobiographical novel, allegorical novel, psychological novel, and very important type of novel is this stream of consciousness novel. This stream of consciousness novel means flow of thoughts. A flow of different thoughts exist in the mind of the character. The writer narrates the thoughts as they enter in the mind of the character. Stream of consciousness technique. That technique was coined by William James in his treatise Principles of Psychology. But in real manner, stream of consciousness technique was established, or we can say the pioneer of this stream of consciousness technique was the Virginia Woolf. Virginia Woolf used this technique in the different types of novels. Very important thing is this stream of consciousness technique means character goes in the past memories. Going in the past memories and remembering the beautiful memories, memorizing the beautiful memories, going in the flashback in the past memories, that is called as stream of consciousness technique. And that is why stream of consciousness novel is very famous, and the pioneer of this stream of consciousness novel is Virginia Woolf. In the main exam, some multiple choice questions can come about this novel, like match the pair, find out the odd elements in the group, or complete the following statements, or filling the blanks. So you have to go through the brainstorming activities and complete all these activities in your notebook. Question first, name the several aspects of setting: place, period, time, climate or weather and lifestyle are the several aspects of setting. Second question, name the elements of novel. There are 6 elements of novel: theme, plot, characters, setting, conflict and language style. As I explain you about short note on novella, it is very important point of examination. You have to prepare the short note of novella with examples of some famous novels and their writers. Name the types of novel. You have to write down the types of novels, and remaining one question is there, stream of consciousness novel. You have to prepare these short notes and go through the text. So my dear boys and girls, go through the text again and again, watch this video, prepare the question and answers, prepare the MCQ questions and study hard. All the best all of you. Thanks.